This is the first time I have a little problem there. Rippen piano in a beautiful church. You see, so I have to lose it again. When I'm playing this note here, nice sound. But they are touching each other, the hammers, you can see it here. And today I'm taking you on a road trip to the west fjords of Iceland. I will be tuning and fixing some problems in this beautiful church in my hometown, Bolungarvík. I grew up in this town and have many memories of skiing on some of these mountains as a young boy. I also have many beautiful memories of my family and me in this church. I even remember exactly where I stood for my confirmation. I hope you enjoy this video. Hello. So this here is a Rippen piano. You see how light the color of the piano is. The sun has been shining into the piano for many years. If I open the piano, you see here is the original color. It was like that at the beginning. You see the color. Hello, today I'm tuning a Rippen piano in a beautiful church in northwest Iceland in Westfjords in Bolungarvík. I have been tuning the piano, but I have one little problem in this piano. When I'm playing this note here, but they are touching each other, the hammers, you can see it here. They go both together. I have to move this hammer a little to right, so they are not touching each other. I have been tuning this piano for many years, and this is the first time I have a little problem there. and I'm gonna fix it now. I have to use my screwdriver. I have to loose this hammer here. Loose it little, move it a little to right, and now they are not hitting each other. But I have a little less gap. I like to have the gap a little more. So I have to loose it again and tight it. And now I have a nice gap here in between. Similar gap here. And now they are not touching each other like it was before. So the problem is fixed now in this piano. The piano is nice sound, very good piano. It is. That was it. Nice sound. Then I can close it and they can use it and play it on next Sunday when they're gonna use it. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye bye. If you are new, my name is Davíð. If you have some questions, comment below and I will answer you. Thank you for coming with me today. Bless, bless.